Up SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another update of SafeMoon. What's the current price? What's the price in token in SafeMoon? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, a lot of people ask me questions about SafeMoon, that when will the price of SafeMoon start jump. And now if we look at this time, the latest update, the last 1 hour price is occurring in the SafeMoon. So the last 1 hour price is still negative, my friends. That means that the price is going wrong. So if we now this time the people are worrying about that, and a lot of people decide to sell because they understand that SafeMoon have no idea. But no, they are wrong, my friends. You have to hold. You can see that the previous trend is negative, so how you can sell SafeMoon this time? If you sell, so you're in the loss. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Be patient and wait for a pump, my friends. Let me show you, friends, the price chart, what's going on this time in the SafeMoon. My friends, at the start of June, the gradually SafeMoon gradually slowly start moving upward. Not a quick jump, but slowly they start moving upward, and maybe in the future there is a lot of chance to take a jump, but remember, that is confirmed, and I'm sure that SafeMoon will take a huge pump in the June, my friends. If you hold, so absolutely you will get a profit, and if you sell, so that's clear that you will get nothing from SafeMoon. And for instance, if you decide to sell SafeMoon at this time, so you are in the loss, completely you are in the loss, because the last 1 hour pricing is still negative. So how you can benefit? You are in the loss, my friends. Remember. So my prediction about SafeMoon is positive, and I believe that the huge pump of the SafeMoon are coming soon in the 2 days, 1 days. So wait for it. Don't decide to sell. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos.